Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Over 50. My name is Liliane, but you can call me Lily. If you ever felt groggy in the morning or struggle to sleep at night or notice that your energy dips at strange time during the day, you're not alone. The key to solving these issues might lie in something powerful and ancient, and that is the circadian rhythm. Today we are going to learn how this internal clock impacts everything from your heart health to your sleep, and most importantly, how you can realign with it to feel energized, balanced, and focused. The circadian rhythm is your body 24-hour internal clock. It's a natural circle that tells your body when to wake up, when to eat, when to be active, and when to sleep. It's regulated by light and dark. It influences your hormones, digestions, metabolism, and even your mood. During the day, exposure to light triggers cortisol, and that's your alertness hormone. At night, darkness tells your body to release melatonin, and this is your hormone that will put you to sleep. This system evolved over thousands of years, but in today's world, filled with artificial lights, stress, irregular meals, many of us are completely out of sync. When your circadian rhythm is out of sync, your entire system suffers. Studies link circadian misalignment with poor sleep and insomnia, weight gain and diabetes, high blood pressure, weakened immunity, mood disorders like anxiety and depression. And if you're over 50, it becomes even more important. You see, with age, our sensitivity to light decreases, melatonin production drops, and sleep can become more fragmented and very light. That's why many adults feel tired during the day, but can't really sleep at night. Hey, but I've got good news for you. You can reset your system. Here are 5 powerful ways you can realign your circadian rhythm today. Hey guys, I just want to take 1 minute to tell you a bit more about Healthy Over 50. This channel is your go-to space for health, wellness, and holistic living. Here I speak to men and women. I believe true well-being comes from nurturing your body, your mind, and your spirit. So here you'll find practical tips, expert advice, and inspiring content to help you feel vibrant, strong, and balanced in this empowering stage of your life. So what are you going to find here? Well, workouts, nutrition tips, and healthy habits tailored for your needs. Here we discuss strategies for mental clarity, mindfulness, meditation, and tools to reconnect to your inner self. Whether you're starting a new chapter, exploring ways to feel better, or simply seeking a supportive community, you're in the right place. Join me on this transformative journey to a healthier, happier you. Get sunlight early in the day. Spend at least 20 minutes outside in the morning. Natural light suppresses melatonin and kickstarts your alertness hormone. Create a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. And yes, even on weekends. This consistency helps your body know exactly when it's time to rest. Avoid blue light at night. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Blue light blocks melatonin. Try amber lights, candles, or even blue light blocking glasses. Eat with the sun. Did you know that your digestion also follows the light? Your digestion is connected to the circadian rhythm. Have your largest meal during the day and keep a very light dinner. Your last meal should be ideally 3 hours before you go to bed. It is important to learn to wind down. Create a wind down ritual, maybe journaling, meditation, yoga, stretching, whatever works for you. These cues signal to your system that it's time to wind down. Your circadian rhythm is like the conductor of your body. It keeps everything in sync. And the older we get, the more crucial it is to honor that rhythm. So I have a little challenge for you from today. So start small. Step outside in the morning. Dim the lights at night. And pay attention to your body's signals. You might be amazed to see how much your health, energy, and mood transform. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And let me know in the comments what is the one habit you will change to support your circadian rhythm. Until next time, stay well and balanced, and don't forget, it's never too late to feel great and energized again. Bye for now. I'll speak to you in the next one.